Okay, we got a 1995 Dodge Ram 1500 four-wheel drive with a Western 7.5 foot snow plow. Just spent over $500 getting the plow put on the truck, and they put new cables, rebuilt the pump, and replaced most of the wiring, and it works like a champ. There was one crack they had to weld up right there, and there's another spot on the front that somebody put a section in. The tires and wheels that are on the truck do not go with it. If you do want the wheels and tires, they are $500 more, but only a couple months old, and the tires have at least half tread or better on them. There's no muffler on the truck. It was rattling, so we took it off. The converter and everything's still there, and put a piece of pipe and everything in with tip. Body's got dents and dings pretty much all over it. Bumper's bent up. There's a dent in this bed side. You really can't see it, but it's there. Also, the headache rack that's in it does not go with it, but for the right amount of money, I suppose I'd let it go, but I'd like to keep it. Power windows and locks, cruise control, Pioneer CD player, 143,000 some odd miles. Everything works. It's got a keyless remote and remote. Like I said, it is loud. Everything on the plow works. I'll give you a little demonstration. Here's down, up, left, right, back down, back up. Lights and everything work on it. The hood's all bent up. It flipped up on us and cracked the windshield. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's cracked all the way up through here and then straight across the bottom. Got a new battery in it, new solenoid for the plow. Everything under there is just old and dirty, but everything on the truck works. Good work truck. We've had it for going on 8 months or so, and just needing something longer come springtime. But it's got tinted windows too. Beacon light does not go with it, but there you go. Good luck.